Apple supplier potentially hints at iPhone 15 Pro with solid state volume and power buttons. Well, I heard about this. Solid state meaning that it's haptic.
Yeah.
So it's just going to give you a little vibration, a little buzz, but it's not going to be a mechanical component.
Just like the Magic trackpad.
Yeah, this is fine, I think. I mean, hopefully it still has like a tactile feel. It's a thing you do a lot of, like hit the button on your phone. So hopefully it still has some satisfying characteristics, which I think it will if it's anything like the trackpad.
Yeah, very convincing.
The trackpad is?
Yeah.
Oh, absolutely. A strong haptic. In a letter to shareholders this month, the Texas-based semiconductor company said it continues to engage with a strategic customer and expects to bring new HPMS component to market in smartphones next year. HPMS refers to Cirrus Logic's high-performance mixed signal chips, which include haptic drivers for the Taptic engine in iPhones. So he's on a call with his investors, and he's like, yo, we're about to get this big deal. And then, of course, the iPhone rumor types are like, well, he's obviously talking about Apple, and then they can predict from there what that might mean. In October, well-known Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo said iPhone 15 Pro models will feature solid-state volume and power buttons. That must be the story I'm reflecting on. 2 additional Taptic engines to provide haptic feedback to simulate the feeling of pressing the button. Well, then the advantages here, I mean, you would eliminate moving parts and openings. And over time, any mechanical component can wear down or feel less satisfying or have less of a click to it. And maybe long term, this could replicate the experience. You know?
The only gripe that I have about this is how do you turn it on in like if something catastrophic happens, right? Because a MacBook still has a power button, right? Like physical, where you can just turn on.
Right. Well, they had to have some fail. They had to have some fail safe where, like, when you plug it in or something, it auto starts. Figure something out like that. But because you could say the same thing about the existing power button if something catastrophically fails with that. Anyway, cool. Titanium, haptic, 15, iPhone 15.